Hi, I'm Jonathan Pem, Vice President of the Western Pacific for the Hospital Pharmacy section of FIP. Before the Basel Statements were published, countries around the world had no common agenda, no common language. The Basel Statements have provided countries with a common language so that hospital pharmacy departments can learn from those outside of their own borders. The Western Pacific region was of particular interest to me. It contains over 35 countries ranging from Japan and China in the north, Australia and New Zealand in the south, and numerous Pacific islands in the east over to French Polynesia. Hospital pharmacy departments in this region are highly diverse, with many of them aiming to develop and strengthen their clinical services. As such, we wanted to know how the best hospital pharmacy departments in this region were able to provide high-quality clinical services. We surveyed over 700 hospital pharmacy directors in this region regarding clinical pharmacy services based on the Basel Statements in the theme under Hospital Pharmacists' Influences on Prescribing. This included looking at pharmacists' role in educating prescribers, being an integral part of patient rounds, and providing continuity of care to their patients. Although we found that well-resourced hospital pharmacy departments with highly trained pharmacists were able to implement more services, these were not the departments that were able to consistently provide clinical services to the majority of their patients. Instead, hospital pharmacy departments that regularly provide clinical services and influence prescribing were those that had obtained support from their hospital administrators and physicians. They were the hospitals that had pharmacists attend patient rounds regularly and were able to convince others of their value. This work highlighted how the Basel Statement should not be kept to just pharmacists, but they need to be shared and advocated to hospital administrators, physicians, politicians, and even our patients. Only by working with others and not in isolation can pharmacists reach their true potential to improve patient outcomes.